Everyone, today we are going to begin a new chapter that is more about animals. In this chapter, we will come to know about different types of animals. All animals live in their natural homes called their habitat. So, what is habitat? Animals live in their natural homes, that is the place where they live, is called their habitat. Based on their habitats, animals are of different types. Land animals, the animals that live on land. Under land animals, there are wild animals. These animals live in jungles or forest. We must have seen many of these animals in zoo. Am I right? Yes. Examples are tiger, lion, elephant, and many more. Then we have domestic animals. These animals live in farmhouses or farms. We see these animals around us in our localities. Some of them are dog, cow, goat, and there are many more. Animal body parts are modified to adjust in their habitats. That is, the animals live in their natural homes as their body parts suit in that type of environment. Like we have the camel. Camel is a desert animal, that is, it lives in desert. Its body parts are adjusted and are modified to live in desert region and in such hot regions, hot climate. So it can survive in that weather. Then we have another type of animal, that is arboreal animal. These animals live mainly on the tree. They spend most of their time on trees. As you can see here, examples may be monkeys, gorillas, and also birds. They spend most of their time on trees. Now we have one of the most important type of animal that lives in water. They are water animals. A very common example that we also eat as our food are the fish. Then we have the sea animals, which are also water animals, like shark, dolphin, turtle, octopus, and many examples are there. Their body parts are adjusted to live in water. There are more type of animals. One of them is underground animals. From the name only we can understand that these animals make burrows or holes under the ground and live there, live inside those burrows. Like rabbit, snakes, they make burrows. Burrows are like holes made, they dig the ground and make those burrows and they live there. Then we have snow animals. Again, from the name, it says that they live in snow. Like the polar bear, the snow leopard, they live in cold regions where almost the whole year is covered with snow. They are adjusted to live in that type of climate. Now we will know more about the characteristics of animals. Animals move from place to place. They also need food and water. So in search of these things, food and water, they have to move from place to place. Some animals swim, some animals crawl, some animals run, walk. Different animals have different way of movement. Now in terms of food and water, some animals eat plants or plant parts like the leaves, flowers. They are known as plant eaters. Common example is cow, goat. They eat the grass, leaves. Then we have flesh eaters, the animals that eat flesh of other animals like the lion, tiger. Animals also breathe like us. They are living things. So that is a very important character of animals. They breathe. Some animals breathe through gills like the fish. Some have lungs like us like the tigers, lions. So they have different breathing organs to breathe. Next, one of the very important character of animals is they can grow. Animals grow. I'm sure that most of you have seen a puppy grows into a dog within a few days. A kitten grows to a cat within a span of time. So animals also grow. And the last one is animals can feel like us. They can also understand the love. They can also feel the pain. They also feel like us. Now we will know about the animal homes. A place where an animal lives is called his shelter. For example, dog lives in kennel. The home of a dog is known as kennel. Birds live in nest. And next we will know about the pet animals. Animals that we keep at home are known as our pets. We take care of them, we love them, and they become a part of our family. They becomes like a member of our family, right? Then the stray animals, the animals that we see on the roads. Now children, we should also take care of the stray animals. We should not hurt them. We should not throw stones on them or throw water on them. We should also take care of them. At least we should not disturb them. Now we will know a very important thing. We will come to know here about the life cycle of a beautiful insect, that is the butterfly. How a butterfly grows from egg to an adult butterfly. Here the cycle is shown here. From the eggs the caterpillar or the larva arises. Just to look at this larva, it looks like it's an insect, and it's the caterpillar, which again after few days changes into pupa. It covers itself and it looks like a hanging nest or hanging bag, and it's known as the pupa. That stage is pupa. And from the pupa, the adult butterfly emerges. The pupa bursts, opens, and the adult butterfly comes out. So this is the life cycle of butterfly. It covers 4 stages in its life. Eggs, then the larva or caterpillar, then the pupa, and lastly is the adult butterfly. Again the adult butterfly will lay eggs, so the cycle will go on and will continue like this. So I hope the life cycle of butterfly is clear to everyone. So please go through this chapter. In this chapter, we have come to know about many things on animals. Please read it and also learn the same. Thank you, children.